गुड मॉर्निंग। टुडे इज 20th जनवरी 2017। नाउ वी डिस्कस रीजनिंग के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, नेट जो दे रहे हैं तो उसके लिए हमें जो जनरल पेपर है, जो पेपर 1, तो उसका हमने सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, तो उसके लिए हमें कुछ करना चाहिए, कुछ जो आ सकते हैं, जो लाइक रीजनिंग आ सकते हैं, तो रिलेशनशिप लाइक ओके, तो ये भी आ सकते हैं, और डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन, कॉम्प्रिहेंशन। ओके, सो वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि लाइक कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में 5 क्वेश्चन एंड डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन में 5 क्वेश्चन, 5 क्वेश्चन, एंड नंबर सीरीज में 2 क्वेश्चन एंड रिलेशनशिप 1 क्वेश्चन। सो लगभग 13 क्वेश्चन जो है वो आप कर सकते हैं, तो वो हमने अब सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, सो ये पहले जो है रीजनिंग के नंबर सीरीज में हम नंबर सीरीज जो है उसको हमने सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर डिस्कशन। ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट। देखिए नंबर सीरीज क्या है। देखिए नंबर सीरीज, देखिए नंबर सीरीज टेस्ट आर ए टाइप ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट है। न्यूमेरिकल एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट है वेयर रिक्वायर यू टू फाइंड द मिसिंग, और देखिए आपको क्या फाइंड करना है, मिसिंग और रॉन्ग। ठीक है, रॉन्ग नंबर को in a sequence. The missing wrong number may be at the beginning, at or middle, जो हो सकते हैं beginning में और middle में, at the end, at sequence। ठीक है, sequence के last में। ओके, देखिए टाइप ऑफ नंबर सीरीज, इवन सीरीज, देखिए इवन सीरीज है, ऑड सीरीज है, ठीक है, प्राइम सीरीज, स्क्वायर सीरीज, क्यूब सीरीज, अरिथमेटिक सीरीज, टू टायर अरिथमेटिक सीरीज एंड अदर सम। देखिए एट 3 टायर अरिथमेटिक सीरीज है, जियोमेट्रिक सीरीज है। ओके, तो और भी है, देखिए सो जियोमेट्रिक जीपीएपी सीरीज है। ओके, जीपीएपी सीरीज जो है ये, ठीक है, और लास्ट का जो है ट्वाइन सीरीज। ओके, ये ट्वाइन सीरीज है। ओके, सो ये सम एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है। ओके, सो देखिए उसके बाद हमने सबको डिस्कस करेंगे। इवन सीरीज क्या है, द सीरीज व्हिच ऑल द नंबर्स आर इवन numbers followed by a sequence. So okay, here the number is followed by a sequence is known as even series. 2 4 6 8 10 12 13 16 20. Okay, odd series, the series in which all the numbers are odd number followed by a sequence is known as odd series. 1 3 5 7 9 11 1 3 2 gap, 3 to 5 2 gap, 1 gap, 5 to 7 1 gap, 7 to 9 1 gap, 9 to 1 gap। ओके, सो इस तरह के होते हैं। ओके, प्राइम सीरीज, देखिए प्राइम सीरीज द सीरीज इन व्हिच ऑल द नंबर्स आर प्राइम नंबर, ऑल द नंबर्स आर प्राइम नंबर फॉलोड बाय ए सीक्वेंस इज नोन एज प्राइम सीरीज। फॉर एग्जांपल 2 3 5 7 11 13, ओके 17, 3 to 5 5 7 7 to 7 to 4 7 plus 4 11 11 2 plus 3 2 3 13 13 plus 4 17। so next square series, the series in which all the numbers are square. Okay, natural numbers followed by a sequence is known as square series. For example 1 4 9 1 to 4 3 4 to 5 4 4 4 9, okay 5 gap, 9 to 16 is 8 नहीं 7, and 16 to 25 9, 25 to 36 11, 36 to 49, so 13। इस तरह की गैप है। ठीक है, उसके बाद देखिए स्क्वायर सीरीज के बाद क्यूब सीरीज, द सीरीज इन व्हिच ऑल द नंबर्स आर क्यूब or natural numbers followed by a sequence is known as cube series. 1 5 1 8 27, 1 8 27 84, 64, 125 216, 216 343 512 and 729. Arithmetic, the series in which the difference between each successive terms is constant is known as arithmetic series. 84, 80, 76, 72, 68, 64, 60, 56, 52. तो यहाँ से देखिए कम होते जा रहे हैं, ओके, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में, ठीक है। टू टायर अरिथमेटिक सीरीज, the tire series in which the difference is constant after two steps is known as two star arithmetic series. For example क्या है, for example 2 6 12 20, 2 6 12 20, 30 42, 30 42, 56 72, 90 120. In this series, after the first step, the difference are 4 6, so 2 2 6 4, 6 to 12 6, 8 10 12 14 16 18 and 20, okay. And after second step, the difference above the difference after the second step, the difference above difference are 2 to 2 to 4 to 6, 6 to 4, 2 gap, 8 to 6, 2 gap, 10 to 8, 2 gaps. Three tier arithmetic series, the series are in which difference is constant after 3 steps, okay. So here it's in that the series in which the difference is constant after 3 steps is known as 3 tier arithmetic series. For example, 336, 210, 120, 60, 24, 6, okay, 0. In this case, after the first step, the difference are 126, okay. First step, the difference is 126, and 90, next is 90, 60 gap, and 36 and 18 and 6. After second step, the difference is above differences are 36, the gap between 90 and 126, 30, 24, 18, 12, okay. After third step, the third step difference of above differences are 6 6 6 6, 36 to 30 is 6 6 6 6, okay. So next is geometric series. In the series in which the ratio between each successive term is constant, okay, is known as a geometric series. For example, 1 2 1 3 9 27 81 2 4 3 2 7 2 9, okay. So geometric series 1 3 9 27, 1 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 into 3 81, 81 into 3 2 4 3, 8 2 4 3 into 3 2 7 to 9, and 1204, 500 5 1 2 256, 128, 64, 32, etc. So note this, in this case we apply multiplication or division, okay, okay. GPAP series, the series in which we can get the next term first by multiplying, dividing, and then by adding, subtracting, is known as GPAP series. For example, 3 7 15 31 63 1 2 7 1 2 7 6 5 5 5 1 1 1 0 2 3. APGP, no, APGP is also GPAP, and vice versa. Twine series, the series are two sequence which one is known as twine series. For example, 2 4 9 2 4 7 9, okay, 2 4 7 9 12 14 12 14 17 20 22 25, and 2 3 gap is 2 3 6 9 18 and 27 54, no gap not, it's 2 4 and 2 3 6 9 18 27 54 81 and 162. Next, how to solve the number series, कैसे हमने सॉल्व कर सकते हैं नंबर सीरीज को. Most of the number series can be solved by addition and subtraction, okay. So multiplication and division being a first set for these. In plain English, that means you need to find what to add or subtract to find the to find the next or missing number in the series. Okay, so addition or solve, you can solve addition or subtraction, multiplication and division, okay, in supersets of those. In plain English term, that means kya we need to find out the add or subtraction to find the missing next or missing, okay, number of in this series. Okay, next we will understand the concept by solving few examples. Find out the next number in this series: 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. So looking at the series, we find that the series is an increasing sequence. So we try to find out what is being added here. In the series is 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, and 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So add 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. Okay, so 10 plus 5 15. Okay, so next number is 15 plus 6 21. So 21 is the answer. 87, 80, 74, 69 and 65. Solution. Looking at the series, we find that the series is in decreasing order. 87, 80, 74. So decreasing order it is. So we try to find out what is being subtracted. The series is 87 minus 7 80. So 87 minus 7 80. It is 80 minus 6 60. Sorry, 74 minus 5 69 minus 4. So 7 6 5 4. 87 minus 7. So all are coming. So next is 65 minus 3 equals to 62. Answer is 62. 62 answer. Example: 40, 15, 30, 25, 20, 35. Looking at the series, we find that the series is a mixed sequence. By mixing series, we mean that it is composed of two different series, that is 40, 30, 20 equals to decreasing, and 15, 25, 35 increasing. The trick here is also known as which series will give us the answer. So here is in the mixed sequence. Mixing series we mean the composition of two different series, 40, 30, 20, and in decreasing it is an increasing 15, 25, 25, 35. The trick here to know which series will give the answer. We see that the missing number belongs to the decreasing series. So next is 20 minus 10 equals to, so 40, 30, 10 minus, and 32, 10 minus 30, 20, and 22, 10 minus 10. So answer is 10. Way to get the numeric in number series. Way to get the number series. If the rate of increase and decrease is slow in a series, there must be addition or subtraction. If the rate increase and decrease is slow, so series there must be addition or subtraction. So the series is an arithmetic series, okay, which will be next term in series. Example: 4 to 8, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56, 72. Next क्या होगा? देखिए, the series increases slowly. So it is from AP. Okay, the differences are 4. Gap is 4, 6, 8, 10, and so next term which would be next होगा 50, 72 होगा 90. So if the rate of the increase or decrease is high, there may be addition. Okay. So addition, that's the square, cubes, or multiplication, division, and also multiplication, then addition. So first take the differences between them, difference between sum of the successive term. If that are squares, cubes, the series is an AP, otherwise is GP or GP minus AP. Okay. So next is 72 plus 18 equals to 90. So series, next example 2 3 11 38 102 227 4 4 3. Solution: the series increasing high, but the difference are cubes, so it is the form of AP, and the next term is 886. Addition. So next, so next question is 3 4 8 17 33 58 94 143. The series increasing high, and but the difference is a square. Okay, so it is from AP, and the next term is 207. And next some example have here. Okay, so GP minus AP, it is 4116. Two line series. If the rate is increase decrease slow, it is a form of arithmetic series. Take the difference between the first and first term of the two lines. If the term second line is greater than the first term, so the first line, add the difference with the required number of the first time line. In the first term, of second line is lower than the first term. First line subtracted, and the first subtracted the differences from the required number of the first time. So now you observe the following example: 128, 124, 118, 100, and 110, and 100. 100 A, B, C, D. So find the value of D. So the rate of decrease is slow, so that the series of AP. Okay, AP, the first number of second line is less than the corresponding value of the first line. So the value is D. So 100 minus 100 plus 28 minus 100, so equals to 72. So next example, 4 4 4 24 90 4 4 8 24 96 480. 6 A, B, C, D, E, and the value of E. The rate is increases high, differences square cubes, and there is also ratio in the terms. GP by the taking ratio 6 parts 480 4 parts and 6 parts 720. Okay, so that's the first series video. I think it will be helpful. Thank you.